Welcome to the Oracle Partner Spotlight channel on Oracle PartnerCast. This is where Oracle partners have the opportunity to feature their Oracle solutions running the Autonomous Database or the latest release of Oracle Database 19c. My name is Kurt Gustafson, and I'm a Director of Product Management in Oracle's Database Development Organization, and I'll be the host for today's PartnerCast. Today in the Partner Spotlight, we have Sesame Software. Sesame Software is an Oracle partner who has worked extensively with our development team to validate and optimize the use of the Autonomous Database with their product, Relational Junction. So let's jump in and learn more about Sesame Software, their product, Relational Junction, and the value add they bring to the Oracle partner ecosystem. I'd like to introduce Caleb McLean, who is a Senior Director of Partnership and Alliances at Sesame Software.
Hi, Kurt. First of all, I want to say thanks for all your help. Past couple months has really made this a smooth process.
Yeah, well, fantastic. We're so happy to be working with you. And we're so excited to hear about your experience working with the Autonomous Database. And we really appreciate you taking the time to share your experience working with us and the value add of integrating your product, Relational Junction, with the Autonomous Database. I'd like to say, though, straight away, though, what's really impressed me with Relational Junction is that it's a powerful resource to accelerate the speed that customers can adopt and leverage the Oracle solutions, which then gets them into the Oracle ecosystem. So before we look under the hood of the integrated solution, let's take a minute, if you can, and briefly tell us about Sesame Software and how it fits into the Oracle ecosystem.
Absolutely, Kurt. So our product, Relational Junction, really allows Oracle teams to integrate data from customer sources very quickly. Our capabilities include data replication, backup, as well as integration to other data sources. We connect to hundreds of different data sets. And what this does is it enables Oracle to securely and efficiently integrate data between those cloud apps or on-prem data for the purpose of helping their customers, either through analytics or reporting. Our patented multi-threaded technology is also used to replicate data into a data warehouse of their choice. And all of this is done automatically through our tool.
Okay, well, that's great. So with that, let's dive into your product, Relational Junction. So tell me more specifically, what is Relational Junction and how does it integrate with the Autonomous Database and Oracle Cloud Infrastructure?
Absolutely, thanks. So our Relational Junction data management suite actually allows us to integrate Oracle Cloud and combining our automatic data warehouse builder with data replication and integration. What this does is it enables Oracle to securely and efficiently integrate data between cloud applications and any on-premise or cloud solution. Our patented multi-threaded technology is used to quickly replicate data to the data warehouse of your choice within minutes.
Oh, that's fantastic. So who are some of the customers that are using your solution and how are they using it?
So there's quite a list. We'll kind of drill in on one of these here. Let's say BioMarin, for example. It's a biopharmaceutical company, and they wanted to actually get better, customer ownership, understanding where things were from a financial control perspective and the total cost of ownership for their customers. Mm-hmm. So they used our product to replicate their CRM data so that they could combine that with some of their downstream systems to look at the total life cycle. So that integrated reporting solution used us with data replication to tie all of that together.
Mm-hmm. Oh, that's great. And you also have a lot of customers that I can see as well. So what are Relational Junction's key features and how does it stand out from your competitors' solutions?
Yes, absolutely. So one of the key differentiators would be that we do hold numerous patents on our product. Some of those patents include our ability to multi-thread the replication functions. That's going to help with the efficiency of reducing the number of API calls. But more important are the algorithms that we've built. That allow us to integrate between cloud and on-premise, as well as custom applications, fundamentally connecting hundreds of different applications. Our solution allows either on-prem or cloud data to be replicated and automatically building a data warehouse. So we're taking out that manual technical lifting part.
Okay, well, that's great. What are some of the key features from an Oracle standpoint?
When we look at the key features that Oracle would benefit from using Relational Junction in any of its customer solutions, we'll talk first about the ability to create an automatic data warehouse. Mm-hmm. What that means is Relational Junction will go out and automatically interrogate that source system and bring that data, dynamically build a data warehouse in an Oracle environment. So if we're targeting an ADW target, that means that Oracle Analytics Cloud could be plugged in on the back end. That seamless integration also allows us to connect hundreds of different data sources into an Oracle solution. effectively in minutes. So that also plays into being able to integrate or modernize applications that are perhaps left on arcane or legacy type platforms and bring them forward into more modern and current solutions.
Well, that's awesome. So how does it all work?
Yeah, excellent. So what we actually do is the Relational Junction product will connect to a source with about 6 pieces of data. It's a really straightforward plug-and-play simplicity. The Relational Junction product will go out and, using an incremental batch mode, automatically pull and replicate the data from its source system using a pretty efficient set of processes. But the key here is that there is no data mapping that's required. There's no need to create a target table or even maintain scripts. So this bulk loading for fast loads allows us to connect from on-prem or cloud applications and bring them where they want. So effectively, whatever the Oracle value proposition is for a customer, we can maximize that with a fast integration.
Wow, that sure makes it easy. What's the alternative to Relational Junction, and how does Relational Junction solve these challenges?
Traditionally, there's a pretty cumbersome process of building out a data warehouse. That process typically takes weeks or months to do. It'll require the involvement of DBAs or technical developers, ETL architects, to come in and design a system and a data structure that's intended for the data warehouse, and then work through a replication process. This ETL mapping will take days or weeks to perform, and then there's the proof of concept and the modifications required to verify that. So that overall process does take months. Now with Relational Junction, we're talking about minutes. We're talking about being able to set up a product, set up a connection in about 15 to 30 minutes. So that's fast tracking everything, connect and load. At that point, after 15 to 30 minutes, the data is already replicating. Now, Relational Junction also dynamically builds that data warehouse on the target, which means there's no need to go out and build an architecture or a schema. Relational Junction is interrogating that source system and dynamically building the target. So what that means is you truly have an instant data warehouse. The results are delivered. It's going to bring data into either an OCI tenancy, ADW, or make that data available for Oracle Analytics Cloud, or even more current, more modern Oracle databases.
Well, it sounds very flexible. It kind of sounds like something that Oracle already does. How does Relational Junction fit with these Oracle products?
Certainly. Oracle does have some complementary products. We get asked that a lot. So what we see is perhaps some question around, well, what's the difference between Relational Junction and Golden Gate? Well, Golden Gate is going to focus on synchronizing the data using the data sources and actually reading some of those data logs. Relational Junction is actually focused on synchronizing the schema and doing that initial load. So the incremental loads using the timestamps where possible will actually help stabilize the data warehouse target. So Golden Gate is more interested in the transaction sets, with Relational Junction using patented algorithms that prevent timeout and increase the scalability of the solutions. So really large data sets, dynamic scaling, and some of that auto discovery feature are some of the intrinsic benefits of Relational Junction. Perhaps the second area that we get the most comparison is with Oracle Data Integrator. ODI is a pretty sophisticated tool, and it has a pretty complex user interface. Oracle Data Integrator is going to use PL SQL code and scripts. It's going to move the data as it's instructed, and it's going to require some maintenance going forward. Those really sophisticated scripts require some maintenance if there are changes in the source system. Relational Junction makes it all easy. What we're talking about is a fully automated data warehouse tool. It requires no design work, no developers' involvement. It quite frankly could be set up by a reports analyst trying to just connect to a data source and point toward a target. So.
Okay, that sounds amazing. So, but just to restate that, if I understand correctly, Relational Junction is not only complementary with the Oracle products, it accelerates the transition of Oracle, the product suite.
Oh, absolutely. Yeah. In fact, we encourage a proof of concept, and this is interesting. So even under a proof of concept, in the 15 or 30 minutes of setup time, after that, the data is replicating. It could be production live data, or it could be sample data sets. At that point, once data is replicating into a target, Oracle teams can take it away. We're talking about plugging in analytics. We're talking about leveraging some of the benefits of the auto-scaling, auto-tuning that ADW offers. Excellent. All of those are available instantly as soon as that data is replicating.
Wow, that's amazing. So do you have a use case example that you can share with us today?
Most certainly. We worked pretty closely with the Hub team, and we did a model going from NetSuite, replicating data into ADW, and then leveraging Oracle Analytics Cloud on the back end to produce some customer-centric reports and analytics. So what we found through that process was the ease of use really kind of came to the front very quickly. With Relational Junction, we found that NetSuite data could be extracted directly into ADW with just a few simple steps. Identify the source, point to the target, and then tell it how to execute. Basically 15 to 20 pieces of data. Really a fast setup, easy to use. Relational Junction required just the access credentials to maintain that security and integrity of both. But the value for this use case is that we worked with Oracle to demonstrate that Relational Junction is part of an end-to-end solution. Taking data from the financial systems in NetSuite, bringing it into ADW, and then making Oracle Analytics Cloud available with that, all simply by using Relational Junction.
Wow, that really seems to tie it all together. And that's a great use case, by the way. So it's about time to wrap up. Where can people go to learn more about Relational Junction and its solution with the Autonomous Database?
So we welcome people to reach out to us directly, our website, or even go through the Oracle Cloud Marketplace. We have an excellent listing out there with some data sheets, as well as simply click to buy if one of the customers already has an Oracle wallet.
Okay, well, with that said, it's time to wrap up. I want to thank you again, Caleb, for and Sesame Software to be a great Oracle partner. We wish you all the best in going to market with the Autonomous Database and Relational Junction.
Excellent. Thank you very much.
You bet. This concludes our Partner Spotlight session on PartnerCast for today, where Oracle partners have the opportunity to feature their Oracle solutions running the Autonomous Database or the latest release of Oracle Database 19c. Stay tuned for more Partner Spotlight sessions coming soon. Goodbye, good day.